Brother.
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm fine. So where are you now?
Right now, I'm in my place. Like we can say, you can see my behind.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
is
yeah,
my
yeah.
yeah.
I am watching.
Okay. So what about you, brother? Are you working?
No, 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 no. I am sitting now.
So where you are right now?
I'm in home.
This is your home. Like I think construction is going on. Am I right?
Yeah, it is a stair. I'm standing on the stair.
Okay, that's good. So, brother, please tell me about yourself. Like, where are you calling from, and who
Yeah,
are
yeah.
you? Please tell me.
Yeah, I am from West Bengal, and my name is Sanjit Pal, and I read in 11th class, and I want to become a teacher, and that's why that's why I want to learn English.
Okay, that's great. So you want to become a teacher.
Yeah,
So let me guess, like maybe you want to become a teacher like English language. Am I right?
yeah, 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 yeah. English language.
That's good because I
Yeah,
met lots of people and whoever telling me like I want to become a teacher. So those people like English teacher. So that's why I guess like you wanna also. Okay, that's great.
and you?
Yeah, actually,
Want to
bro,
become?
yeah, actually, I want to make a good career in airline industry. Then after that, that's why reason I'm improving, I'm learning, and I'm searching a job still now. But my future plan is like I want to become a businessman.
This man. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then before business, like brother, we have to struggle more and more. Like collect some money. Money is very important for our life. So then after that, like let's see what will happen in future because I didn't decide. But I want to
So
become a
I think if you have money, so everyone will know you.
yeah. Sorry, tell me.
If you have money, so
Okay.
everyone will know you.
Yeah, brother. If I have money, then people will know me like, and I can do anything. Okay, like about I can travel in the world and start a business. I can go anywhere. So money is very important. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So where are you from? Are you from Mumbai?
Yeah, brother. I'm calling from Mumbai, but my native place is UP. My born place is UP, Uttar
Okay.
Pradesh. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Because I used to live in Bihar before. That's why I know UP.
Okay. You are living in Bihar, in Patna.
No, I used to live in Bihar before, and I now I live in West Bengal.
Okay. So what's your born place? Bihar and Bengal.
Bihar, Bihar, Bihar.
Bihar. So like when did you shift in Bengal? Why did you shift?
I don't know why did he see, but my father he came here,
Okay, your father he
and
came.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And
So
when I was 5 years old, that time I came here.
uh whenever you fire, then you came
Yeah,
with your dad. Okay.
with
So
my dad. Yeah,
what about father? What he does?
yeah. He makes sarees.
He makes sari. You have a business, own business?
No, no, I have no business.
Okay. I mean, your father is making a sari. Like what kind of? Can you explain me?
He go to in a company.
Oh, I see. Working in a factory. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
So what about your family background, brother? Like how many members?
yeah. I have two brother, and one brother he live in Dubai for work.
Okay.
One brother he read with me,
Mhm.
and
So
even how many brother do you have?
yeah, bro. I have three brothers, like my elder brother and my younger brother. I am middle one. My younger brother, like he's planning to start a new business, and my elder brother, he already doing a business with my father in
Your
here.
father, your father does business.
Yeah, brother. My father is doing business. We have like I mean, we can say door, mirror door, this kind of business. Do you know mirror?
No, I don't know.
No, mirror,
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 mirror.
like, yeah, mirror, glass.
Oh yeah,
This
yeah,
kind
yeah.
of, yeah, this kind of business my father is doing, and my brother here, he also supporting with my father, and we can say joint business, joint family business, we can say. Okay.
Yeah.
And my mother, she's homemaker, and I'm searching. Even sometime I go with my dad, sometime, not every time.
Go
Then
with your
after,
father.
yeah, yeah, after that, like, I want to do something myself, so that's the reason I complete my degree, then took a 1 year experience and little bit. Okay. And I'm planning to searching another job, like, airline industry, calling procedure, and hospitality industry, we can say. But nowadays, what's going on, very well, like COVID-19, it's very difficult little bit. So after lockdown, after we can say after December, like, I will search a new job. In start to new things, because 2021 is coming in Jan. So
Yeah,
definitely I search new job and new life also. Let's see that. I hope so. About 2021 will be going fantastic. I hope so.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay,
So, yeah,
tell me.
do you want to become a speaker?
Yeah, bro. Actually, if
Because
I
I know I saw your YouTube video, and you were talking with a small girl, and that time
yeah,
you,
she's amazing, seriously, like, she's 9 year old. Okay.
yeah,
And she's talking about like English, and she have a great talent about,
yeah, yeah,
one of game, like, we can say cube game, like, how to
yeah, yeah,
arrange.
yeah.
uh,
She was talking about
yeah,
like a cube game.
yes. And she want to become a doctor. And second thing,
Yeah,
do you know Wonder Girl, Janvi
yeah,
Pawar?
yeah, I know Janvi.
Yeah, she belong to Haryana, so she want to become her. So that's why I told her, like, if you do struggle, then definitely you will achieve. And Janvi
Yeah,
Parwa, she's amazing girl, seriously. She can speak around 11 to,
9 and 10, yeah, 9 and 10 language.
yes, absolutely. Sometime I watch her video, it's amazing, and she have a
Yeah,
great
also
command
I watch
accent.
her video.
Yeah, that's great. And she became a, public speaking, she teacher, like,
Yeah,
high level. And sometime she wanted to, like, go in TEDx show. Do you know TEDx show?
yeah. So do you know her father is a teacher?
Yes, yes, her father is teacher, yeah, right.
Yeah,
He's teaching her, like, always just struggle and always just do unique. If you do unique, brother, then definitely people, audience will like you, support you, and motivate you. So always think about unique and do hard work.
yeah, and
Yeah.
yeah, and her father made to him.
Yes. So, bro, anyway, like, I want to tell you something, why you are learning English language. I forget.
Yeah, I want to become a teacher. I told you already. I want
You
to
want.
become a teacher,
So how do you
but I
practice
don't know
yourself?
I
Like,
will achieve or not. But I don't know I will achieve or not.
okay. So, bro, I'm asking, like, how do you practice yourself? Like, have you any partner, environment,
Yeah,
atmosphere,
I have a
instrument?
partner. I have a partner.
You have a partner, okay.
Yeah,
So,
he read with me.
mhm.
Yeah, and he can speak English.
Hello. Yeah, tell me, brother.
Yeah, he can speak English.
Okay, he can speak English with you. That's great. So,
Yeah,
what about your vocabulary section? Like, how do you learn? How do you learn new
yeah. I
word?
have a
And
vocabulary. I have a book, and I read this book, and when I read this book, so I can see a lot of vocabulary.
okay.
There has a lot vocabulary in this book, and that's why I read this
Uh-huh.
book. Yeah,
So, did you apply your daily routine, those word, those new vocabulary? Did you apply every day?
yeah,
Yeah, okay. For example, whenever you go to read a books, okay. So did you just collect any new word and apply with the stranger people? Are you using with
Yeah,
your
yeah,
friend circle this word?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. When I see new word, that time I talk about those words.
Okay, that's great. This is interesting, brother. If you do
Yeah,
regular, automatically you can build your, vocabulary and grammar part, and we can say improvement. Okay, so always practice little bit, like 1 heart, 2 heart, not every time. I know that people, have a not time proper, like do a job, do office, business like that. Some very few people like have a time. But if you talk about yourself, like your family, and so always just practice little bit, like 1 hour, 2 hours. If you do 100%, brother, definitely you will improve yourself. Am I right? Can you hear me, brother? Hello?
yeah, yeah. Tell.
Yeah,
Do
can you
you?
hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah, I can hear you. So I
yeah.
was
Someone
talking.
is calling me.
Yes, tell me.
Someone was calling me.
Okay, someone was calling me. Okay, no problem. So I was talking about, like, brother, always practice with your friend circle and think about English. Why I'm telling you? Because you want to become a teacher, English teacher. Then if you have a good command for English, then you will definitely get a job.
Yeah,
You will get a job. Okay. So always believe, do hard work. Okay. And
yeah.
don't think about.
Human can be become without hard work.
Yes, bro. Obviously, like every time, do hard work, think positive, and try to do something. Okay, and don't think about like my English is not good. Good, I'm a weak. No, don't think about. See, brother, we are learning English language. We are facing a little bit problem, but
It
it's
is not
okay.
our
Not a,
mother tongue.
yeah. This is our not mother tongue.
It
We
is
can say.
yeah. It is. We have to understand.
Yes, absolutely. And whenever you get an opportunity to talk in front of people, then do it. Don't
Yeah.
feel to fear and low confidence. Just tell about
Some
people I can
some
speak.
people feel shame.
Yes,
Yeah. If I tell wrong, so it is will be not good for me, and they will laugh on me. Like that they feel.
it doesn't matter. Don't concentrate. Don't just focus this thing. Avoid those
Yeah.
people who ever laughing on you. Avoid, ignore
Yeah.
those people. They will never success, bro. If you want to, first thing, like whatever you do, definitely you will get a problem little bit. Like lots of people interrupt something, it's interrupt. But avoid, just face those people, face a lots of like your problem and your fairness. Then automatically, step by step, you will build yourself. Automatically you will get a self, I mean success, we can say.
Okay.
So
When you started to learn English,
yeah, brother. Actually, every day I try to speak with stranger people. I don't have a partner. I don't have environment. Even you don't believe me, my family background. Only for me, I done my graduation. I'm like we can say, in my family, whole family, only one person I done graduation. Okay. Then if you talk about my journey, so I was just speaking myself. I was just watching a YouTube channel and reading books,
yeah,
listening
yeah. So
podcast.
do you know when I used to talk with other people that time I used to talk like status,
Status. Okay.
status.
Status. What is that, brother?
Tutla status.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's great. Yeah, we can say, like, observe a like person. Whenever whoever is speaking on you, in front of you, then observe a person, listen carefully what he and she talking about. Then
Yeah,
catch a new story
and
from
somebody, yeah,
from her end. Yeah, tell me.
somebody don't listen hardly.
Yeah, avoid those people, brother. Before I told you, just avoid a negativity things. Just accept a positive. Okay.
Yeah,
So I think, brother, we have to stop here. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. And
Okay.
all the best your future, all the best your
Yeah.
journey. Keep
Thank.
going, do hard work. Definitely you will get a success. Okay. And keep
Yeah.
touch
Thank
with
you.
learning. Okay.
So yeah, yeah.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.